Welcome back to our channel, where we uncover the mysteries behind some of the world's most intriguing coins. Today we're diving into the history and value of the Germany 10 Pfennig 1950 coin. This modest yet remarkable coin holds a significant place in German numismatic history. Minted in the post-World War II era, the 1950 10 Pfennig coin was part of Germany's currency reform efforts. In the aftermath of the war, Germany faced economic challenges, leading to currency reforms to stabilize the economy. The 10 Pfennig coin, made of copper-nickel, was a crucial denomination in everyday transactions. But what about its value today? Many collectors and enthusiasts are eager to know if this coin holds any significant worth beyond its historical significance. The value of the Germany 10 Pfennig 1950 coin can vary depending on its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. While circulated coins may fetch a modest sum, well-preserved specimens or those with mint errors can command higher prices at auctions or among collectors. Indeed, the condition of the coin plays a crucial role in determining its value. Factors such as scratches, dents, and overall wear and tear can impact its worth. So if you happen to stumble upon one of these coins in your collection, be sure to assess its condition carefully. Inspect the coin under good lighting, paying attention to any signs of damage or imperfections. Utilize coin grading scales to determine its condition accurately. Today we're diving into the world of numismatics, exploring the value and history behind the Germany 10 Pfennig 2001 coin. Now, you might be wondering what makes this particular coin so special. Well, let's find out. First off, let's take a closer look at the design. On the obverse side, we have the iconic German eagle, a symbol of strength and unity. And on the reverse, we have the denomination, surrounded by oak leaves. The design of this coin is not only visually appealing but also carries significant historical and cultural significance. Now, let's talk about the value. The Germany 10 Pfennig 2001 coin is considered a modern collectible, meaning its value can vary depending on factors such as condition, rarity, and demand. To its low mintage and historical significance, it's highly sought after by collectors, often fetching hundreds. The key to assessing the value of these coins lies in their condition, rarity, and demand within the collecting community. Minting errors, such as double strikes or off-center strikes, can significantly increase their worth. So, whether you're a seasoned collector or just starting your numismatic journey, keep an eye out for these hidden gems in your coin hunts. Who knows? You might stumble upon a rare 10 Pfennig coin that could be worth more than its weight in gold. That's all for today's exploration into the value of Germany's 10 Pfennig coins. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more coin-related contents, fellow coin enthusiasts. Today we're diving deep into the world of German numismatics, specifically exploring the value behind the often overlooked 10 Pfennig coins. These small copper coins may seem insignificant at first glance, but their historical significance and scarcity make them a treasure trove for collectors. Dating back to the German Empire in the late 19th century, the 10 Pfennig coin has undergone several design changes, reflecting Germany's tumultuous history through the World Wars, the Weimar Republic, and post-war reconstruction. Now, let's talk value. While many of these coins can be found in circulation or sold for a nominal amount, some rare editions and minting errors can fetch a handsome price in the collector's market. Take, for instance, the 1949 D10 Pfennig coin minted in West Germany. Currently in circulated condition, this coin typically ranges in value from a few cents to a couple of euros. However, if you happen to have one in uncirculated condition or with any special features, its value could be big. But remember, the true value of a coin isn't just in its monetary worth, but also in the stories it carries and the history it represents. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed learning about the Germany 10 Pfennig 2001, and don't hesitate to consult with experts or online resources to get a better understanding of its potential value. In conclusion, while the Germany 10 Pfennig 1950 coin may not make you an overnight millionaire, its historical significance and potential value make it a fascinating piece for any coin enthusiast's collection.